Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Sometimes opportunities come unannounced. This house, located just on the edge of Mandeville town in New Acres, is such. The house is disposed over 3 floors with 7 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. The ground floor features a double car garage with electronic doors and an independent 2-bedroom self-contained space. The first floor is the heart of the house, with foyer which empties into the kitchen, living, dining spaces, and one very large bedroom with ensuite bathroom. The second floor is elegantly connected to the preceding floor by a double height space, with a beautifully crafted wooden staircase. This announces its charming 3 bedrooms that scream space and will happily entertain king-size bedroom furnitures and its endearing wooden floors. The bedrooms are each equipped with their own appealing ensuite bathrooms. The bedrooms all overflow onto 2 expansive verandas. The house is lacking TLC, but is ready to become a family home, an Airbnb, or even an old age home. Seller is motivated. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end.
One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same. 2 1 by 2 out the door. Then you have magic. One comes around one today. They don't see things the same.
The asking price for this house is US $450,000 or Jamaican $69.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.